Welcome to Ngobo 20 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada! This is Ngobo 20 Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Orlando Pirates 1. Kaizer Chiefs 1, my brother. How's it?
I'm good, and you, boss?
Good, man. Good to see you.
Yeah.
What's your take on the game today?
Yeah, it was a good game, boss. Very, very, very good game. But not pleasing emehlweni fans because it was too tactical, and I was expecting that because both teams are on form and both teams need points. So it was a very tense game, and Chiefs come with a good approach. Because modern football has changed. Now even us as a fans, we need to move with time. Because sometimes we need those special players, those games as Bukega's nice, but football has changed now. There are more tactics, there are more money in football, so you need results in some of the games. This game was a game of only come and collect results. We come with a good approach. See, overload in midfield, of which is a good thing. So overload ngo Ox, Ngondlovu, no Lebehong Mabo. And then we force Paris to go wide because at least Babesenzi Trosses is a 50-50 chances, unlike Ipol in the middle. So at least we afford to deal with those trosses. But I don't know if it's only me who see that. I'm not happy with the way they play War Police. Although sometimes they come as an impact player whereby as overload Pagati. Because I believe War Police the best games if you can check Bafana Kupolokone seat. Even the last goal Ebe scorile previous game Parades. Maidala left wing edlala phakathi cutter inside, but maybe ba accommodate Muremi because Muremi is not comfortable at the right, because I was not happy when you see our police atrocity bowlers on the right, but it was good for us as a Kaizer Chiefs. So Chiefs namhlanje idlalile, and I'm always an advocate of ama players asebenzayo. Remember last interview besinayo I say I like players ezidlalayo, because when we play sometimes ngo Lebohang Mabo no Ngcobo in the middle of the park, I like Magdala, but we struggle again because we use Undlovu more forward, of which I believe Undlovu is not a player that Ebizos helper in transition. But I was happy with his substitution, early substitution coaches to the ready game that Zafaka Umdu. Then second half, Pirates pressile, Saifosa had long balls, of which I go comfortable with long balls. But I'm also disappointed both sides with important players, of which in our side I would say Ulilepo, Pirates, Nansik Umufukeng and Police. We have a tendency in South Africa sometimes players they don't rise to the occasion. We games as in general. Because we in olden games, we games Akdala, where we will never find Uchabupula height, we games in general. Sometimes our players height out. We games this is neater more. But I'm happy with the performance of Kaizer Chiefs. I'm happy with Uwin. It was a very good game.
Uwin.
Sorry man, Dimtata has win. Dimtata has win.
Okay, it's okay. And you can celebrate. I mean, you are playing away anyway. I come win because I was not expecting. We are facing a very good Orlando Pirates team with 50 goals. And Latrio, we had 30 goal contribution. If you can able to contain them, Bana 17 clean sheet. So they are a very good team, but people must also respect Kaizer Chiefs. I see now people when Chiefs. Chiefs is a big team. It was a derby number 185 today. Chiefs win 75, Pirates win 50. You can go and Google. So which team got? So but unga trap the last 5 years maybe. But I'm happy for my coach man. Thanks for